crafty people, I have some beautiful cards to share with you today. And this is a new style card for me. I've never created a card like this before, ever. Here we go. So I used the Christmas in Fairyland collection from Peekaboo Creek Designs. And you can find a link in the description box down below the video where I will share the direct link to the kit if you are interested in purchasing that. My cards are always listed on Etsy, and that link will also be in the description box down below. But this is the cutest new style card. I just learned it a couple days ago from Kathy Clement. I think it's Kathy Clement by Design is her YouTube channel. But look at these adorable papers. Look at that fairy. Isn't she sweet? So she's just like kind of fluttering around this beautiful floral cluster. The sentiment, it's the most magical time of the year. And then this card pops up like that. Look at that. So you're like, well, where do you write your sentiment? Well, let's flip it over. And in the back, I have this little pocket and 2 pullouts. May your Christmas sparkle with fairy magic. And then a place to write your message. You can also utilize the backs if you need to. But that is card number 1. Okay, they don't want to go back in the pocket. There we go. All right, card number 1. All right, number 2. Let's go with, this one. I just love this image. The little fairy girl kissing the snowman. So cute. Very Merry Christmas. So this is a really cool style card, and it looks a little bit intimidating, but I promise you it comes together really quickly. So check that out if you're interested in that. So here I used some more wine-colored bow, kind of wine-colored poinsettias to make my cluster. And on the back, well, yeah, and we got snowflakes. And then on the back, we have these 2 cards, or pull-out cards. Let your heart glow as bright as fairy lights and this Christmas. And then a card for you to journal your what you want to say to your recipient. So card number 2. All right, number 3. Let's just go ahead and get this shaker. So I have these cute little peppermint pieces that are like shaker elements, super cute. Look at those. So there you go. Okay, so same thing with this one. Folds down flat and then pops up. So again, with the flower cluster, I cut some ornaments, fussy cut some ornaments out of the paper, and then added these 2 little peppermints with a little twine bow. And then this says Fairy Kissed Christmas. All right. And then, you know, the shaker element just really adds to this type of card. I think if I made more, I'd probably make them all shakers. So, and I can see lots of different designs for this style card, and I promise you they're coming. Oh, I cut myself with a knife last night. All right, and then on the back, we have these 2 pullouts. Ooh, and this one's long. This one says, by candles glow and winter's hush, the Christmas fairies softly rush. With timeless grace, they drift above, bestowing peace and gentle love. And then your area to write your message. All right, I'm saving the best for last. So there you go with that one. I really do like the shaker one, but I really like this one. And I like this one because of the image. It's so cute. Look at her. Is she not the sweetest? Oh. Okay, so she gets her flower cluster down here at the bottom. Boy, she got the deluxe flower cluster with the big candy cane with a double bow. Jingle bells and fairy beams fill the night with merry dreams. So, folds flat like that, folds flat like that, so it's easy to ship, except for, you know, this. But still easier. You could ship this in a bubble wrap and it'd probably be okay. So I just love these little fairies in this collection. I am super stoked to do some bigger projects with these, but I'm gonna knock out some cards first. And then I've got a couple of smaller journals that I thought would be good. Okay. In the hush of winter night, fairies glow with gentle light. With every shimmer, every wing, they help the Christmas bells to ring. And then this beautiful little card to write your message. Okay. And these pockets could actually, they could hold a tea bag or a hot cocoa packet. You know, if I make more of these, and I probably will, I'll probably make this pocket a little bit deeper. But yeah. So there you go. Those are my cards for today with the brand new kit from Peekaboo Creek Designs, Christmas in Fairyland. You will be amazed. I'm going to do some book box cards because some of the backgrounds that she created are they're just yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, thanks for watching. Happy Scrappy Day. Check out my Etsy store. Head over to Etsy. Buy this kit. You need it.